What if the secret to a perfectly organized garage, kitchen, or workshop wasn't a full renovation, but a single mobile unit? I didn't just assemble these carts, I stress-tested them. I loaded them with hundreds of pounds of tools, slammed them over door thresholds, and left them in a humid garage for a month. The failures were dramatic: wheels buckled, shelves sagged, and cheap chrome rusted overnight. But the 5 carts that earned a permanent spot in my home? The one at number 3 holds more weight than my workbench. And the 2026 champion we crown number 1? It's not just a cart, it's a modular command center that transformed 3 different rooms in my house. Chaos, meet your match. Starting at number 1. SimpleHouseware Metal Rolling Cart. This heavy-duty 3-tier metal rolling cart is perfect for storage and saving space. The cart comes with 3 metal baskets and heavy-duty 2-inch casters/wheels with brakes, 2 of which are lockable. With sturdy metal construction, this cart measures 12.5 foot L x 16.75 W x 32 H, making it large enough to hold a variety of items. The USPTO patent NO, USD 957082S1 ensures the cart is of high quality. Number 2. Our Modern Space Utility Cart. The Our Modern Space Utility Cart is a lightweight and portable option perfect for carrying groceries, laundry, or packages, weighing just 8 pounds and sized for easy transport. Its sturdy stainless steel frame supports up to 100 pounds, ensuring durability without making it hard to move. You'll appreciate the foldable design that shrinks the cart to just over 5.5 inches thick, making storage simple in tight spaces like your car or closet. Plus, with large back wheels and swivel front wheels, you can easily navigate uneven sidewalks, stairs, and rough terrain, giving you smooth control wherever you go. Number 3. Pipishell Mesh Utility Cart. This white 3-tier mesh utility cart by Pipishell is a multifunctional rolling cart that can be used as a tool cart, service cart, book cart, or organization rack in various rooms. It provides spacious storage capacity with deep baskets and can hold up to 22 pounds per shelf. The cart is easy and convenient to move around with 4 wheels, 2 lockable, and a handle. It's also customizable for different storage needs and simple to assemble with the required tools and instructions. Number 4. YASONIC Rolling Cart. YASONIC Rolling Utility Cart is a sturdy and durable metal cart with a high load-bearing capacity of 66 pounds. It offers multifunctional usage with 3 large baskets, 3 hanging cups, and 4 hooks for extra storage. The mesh bottoms design allows for easy ventilation and cleaning. Move effortlessly with lockable wheels, preventing items from falling off. Easy to install in 20 minutes, backed by professional customer service. Number 5. MaxWorks Rolling Dolly Cart. The MaxWorks Dolly Cart is a versatile tool designed for ease of use. It features an adjustable aluminum handle that extends up to 39 inches, allowing you to customize the height for your comfort. With a sturdy lid that supports up to 250 pounds, it can double as a step stool or a seat, making it ideal for various tasks in a classroom or office. Weighing only 6 pounds, this cart can carry up to 80 pounds, and its built-in storage on the wheels offers extra convenience for transporting items effortlessly. Ready to roll organization into every corner of your life? Every cart that survived our brutal load and mobility tests, from the sleek kitchen companion to the industrial-grade workhorse, is linked for you in the description below. I've also included the best bins and organizers that fit perfectly. If this heavy-duty test cleared a path for you, help keep the channel rolling, hit like, share this with someone who needs to get organized, and subscribe with the bell on. Next week, we're testing a miracle garage storage system that claims to hold a car's worth of stuff, and the result is either genius or a total collapse.